On that night, the forest chose her. Yuming Serening soon grew ill and passed, leaving raising Alara alone, heave the girl from ever entering the whispering forest.
There are signs in the forest, we cannot ignore them. That old magic stirs beyond the trees. They told me I was chosen, but they never told me what that cost. Mother saw the forest the night I was born. Maybe it's calling me too.
Alara, promise me you'll never step beyond those walls. The forest is not your friend. It took your friend. It took your mother from us.
Or maybe it's where she wanted me to go.
I cannot lose you too.
Father, the younger was right. I shouldn't be here. Stay back! Please don't hurt me!
If I wanted to hurt you, little princess, I wouldn't have saved you.
Served her family. Born while the forest sang and a butterfly lit my cradle. The glowing the forest stirred and lightning slit the sky. King Fear bent against the whispering forest. And another son not be defined by his grief. Then maybe we can make it right together.
And I swore to protect them. But when the queen fell ill, I was powerless. Malgar twisted my failure into. Since then, I've guarded the forest, waiting for a chance to make things right. Ah, the princess and the beast. How poetic. Let's see how long their courage lasts.
Like the forest itself is alive.
This tree remembers everything. It holds the map to the heart of truth, the only thing that can break my curse.
Then we won't fail. We'll find the heart of truth together. Love.
I was gonna say honey.
Suppose.
Answer true, or be bound in roots. What grows stronger when shared, yet weaker when hoarded?
Love.
To cross, answer me this. What weighs more, courage, or fear? Fear, it crushes you.
But courage carries fear and makes it lighter.
Beware, the forest tests not just your mind, but your heart. Fear, it crushes you.
But courage carries fear and makes it lighter.
Beware, the forest tests not just your mind, but your heart.
I was, of course you were, distracting them.
Of course you were.
Catch us if you can, princess!
I was distracting them.
You say. We are more than what you say.
I'm not much of anymore.
You're more knightly than anyone I've ever met.
They grow stronger with each step. No matter, the next trap will break them.
I've always felt like I'm pretending, like I'll never be enough.
This is the Mirror Lake. It doesn't show what you are, it shows what you fear you are. I swore to protect her, and I couldn't. I don't deserve to be a knight. I don't deserve to be free.
You didn't fail. Malgar did. You've carried guilt so long you forgot what courage looks like. Courage isn't never falling, it's standing back up.
And maybe I don't need to be the queen they expect, just the one I choose to be.
Maybe I don't need to be the knight I was. Maybe I need to be the guardian I am. Princess, the throne is yours. No more doubts, no more whispers. Rule forever, die all. You're already a kindness. Foolish girl, you could have had everything. Instead, you choose a cursed beast.
I don't need your crown. I don't need your illusions. I choose truth.
Then truth will destroy you!
He'll try again, but so will we.
You faced him, and you didn't break.
We came for the heart of truth. We will protect it.
So, the princess and the beast made it this far. How touching. But truth is not yours to claim.
Can't corrupt the heart of truth. It belongs to the forest.
Truth bends to power, and power bends to me.
Stay with me, Alara. Forget the bear. Rule beside me.
It's not her. Don't let him break you. You were never a knight, only a beast. And beasts die in cages.
Mother, guide me. Now the truth stands free.
Thought I needed to be human again. But maybe I needed to be whole. Both knight and guardian, both man and bear.
You're more than either. You're Bruno, my friend. Thank you for believing in me when I didn't believe in myself.
And thank you for reminding me what courage truly is. Malgar is gone, but his shadow will linger in memory. That's why I must stay, to guard this forest.
And I'll to ensure it never falls again. Together, we'll keep both worlds safe. I found its heart, and I found a friend.
You went into the forest and returned.
Thank you, Bruno.